Today we are going to see a new exercise, that is 8.4 NCERT exercise from decimal chapter. In this, now we are going to see a new topic, conversion. Conversion of money, conversion of length, conversion of weight, etc. So in that first conversion is money. See, we know that 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees and 1 paise is equal to rupees 1 by 100. This 100 will go that side, it will become in the denominator. So 1 paise is equal to rupees 1 by 100. The decimal conversion of this 1 by 100 is 0.01 rupees. So if you want to convert paise into rupees, we have to multiply by 0.01 or simply we can say divided by 100. Therefore, now see 60 paise is equal to 60 by 100 rupees. That is, if we divide 60 by 100, we get 0.60 rupees. In this way, suppose it is 105 paise, which is equal to rupees 105 by 100. Then, if we divide 105 by 100, we get rupees 1.05. Understand? So, some more examples. See, suppose 50 paise is equal to 50 by 100 rupees, which is equal to 0.50 rupees, 0.50, or simply in the last year point is there, means in the last 0 means we can omit and write in this way, that is 0. Simply 5. Okay. Students, now you see in the first question of this exercise 8.4, that is express as rupees using decimals. So we have to express the given units into rupees only using decimals. How it is, you can see the solution of A, that is 5 paise. And we know that $100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Then 1 paise is equal to rupees 1 by 100. That means to convert into paise into rupees, we have to divide by 100. That means, therefore, 5 paise is equal to 5 by 100 here rupees. So if we divide 5 by 100, we get 0.05 rupees. Understand all of you? In the next question, you see B, that is 75 paise. So to convert this paise into rupees, we have to divide by 100. So if we divide 75 by 100, we will get what? 0.75 rupees. In this way, C question, that is 20 paise, which is equal to rupees 20 by 100. If we divide 20 by 100, we get how much? 0.20 rupees. And for this again we can write, see, after the decimal in the last 0 means we can write only simply 0.2 only. Now in the next question, that is D, what is that? That is 50 rupees and 90 paise. See, as for the question, we have to convert the given paise into rupees. In this question, two parts are there. Already 50 rupees and 90 paise. For this, we can break like this. Rupees 50 plus 90 paise. Understand? So already it is in rupees. No need to do anything for this. But we have to convert this 90 paise into rupees. That means we can write like this. 90 by 100 rupees. Again, it is 50 rupees. Plus, if we divide 90 by 100, we will get how much? 0.90 rupees only. Adding this 50 and 0.90, this is whole number and this is whole part is 0. If you add 50 to this 0, we will get 50.90 rupees. You know how to see 50 means 50.00. We have converted into like decimals and it is how much? 0.90. So we can write like this 50.00 and 0.90. So we will get how much? 50.90 only. So rupees 50.90. In the last question, that is E 725 paise. See in this question, to convert into rupees, we know that what to do, we have to divide by 100. If we divide by 100 to 725, we will get how much? It is 7.25 only, rupees 7.25. How it is, see? 725 divided by 100. So it is a 3-digit number. So 100 7s are 700. We will get 25 as reminder. So no number will come down. So you can put a point here. Per point, putting this point, we can add a 0 here. Now it is 250. Now 100 2s are 200. Again the remainder is 50. For this point, we can add one more 0 here. It is 500 now. So 100 5s are 500. In this way we get what? 7.25 rupees only. Understand all of you? Students, before going to start the second question of this exercise, again one more new conversion, that is conversion of length. In this we know that 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Then 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Then the decimal conversion of this 1 by 100 is, we know that 0.01 meter. That means to convert into centimeter into meter, we have to multiply by 0.01, or simply we can divide by 100. Centimeter will convert into meter. Some examples are you can see now. Suppose we want to convert this centimeter into meter. So centimeter into meter means we have to divide by 100. That is 2 by 100. It is meter now. If we divide 2 by 100, we will get what? 0.2 meter. Similarly, suppose it is 5 meter 35 centimeter. So to convert into meter, it is already in meter now. So we can break like this: 5 meter plus 35 centimeter. So it is 5 meter. Then 35 means 35 by 100 meter only. So if you divide 35 by 100, we will get what? 0.35 meter. To add these two, it is whole number 5, whole number 0. That is 5 plus 0 is 5.35 meter. In this way, we can convert the given centimeters into meter like this. Okay? Students, now we are going to see the second question, that is express as meters using decimals. So in the given questions, the units are in centimeters, and in some questions the units are in meters and centimeters, but the whole unit we have to convert into meters by using decimals. How it is we can see now. So in the first question, that is 50 centimeters. We know that 100 centimeter is equal to how much? 1 meter. And 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. That means to convert into centimeter into meter, we have to divide by 100 only. So in this way, therefore 15 centimeters will become 15 by 100 meters. Now, if you divide 15 by 100, we will get what? That is 0.15 meter only. Understand all of you? Now see the next question, that is B. What is that? 6 centimeter. That means 6 by 100 meter only. If you divide 6 by 100, we will get what? 0.06 meter only. See in the next question, that is C. It is 2 meter 45 centimeter. In this, there are two units. One is 2 meter, another is 45 centimeter. This question we have to break like this: 2 meter plus 45 centimeter in this way. So it is already in meter. As per the question, it is already in meter. No need to do anything for this. Only you have to convert the centimeter into meters. And we know that how to. That is 45 by 100. Now this centimeter will become meter only. And again, if you divide 45 by 100, we will get what? 0.45 meter. If we add these two parts, it is whole number 2 and whole number 0. There is 2 plus 0 is 2 point, and then the decimal part is how much? 45 only. So whole together 2 meter 45 centimeter is equal to 2.45 meter only. So the next question, that is D, that is 9 meter 7 centimeter. Similarly, as for the last question, that is 9 meter plus 7 centimeter, we break this question into 9 meter plus 7 centimeter. Then again it is already 9 meter. So this centimeter we have to convert into meter. That is 7 by 100 meter. That is 9 meter plus it is how much? 0.07 meter. If we divide 7 by 100, we will get 0.07 meter. So add these two, we will get what? 9.07 meter. How it is? Whole number 9, whole number 0, 9 plus 0 is 9, then decimal part only 0.7 meter. And in the last question, that is E, 419 centimeter. This will become 419 by 100, it is now meter. If you divide 419 by 100, we will get what? 4.19 meter. How it is? We can see 419 divided by 100. 3 digits, 3 digits. So 100 fours are 400. So remaining 19 only. So no number will come down. So we can put a point here. For this point, we can add 0 here. So it is now 190. If you divide 190 by 100, that is 100 ones are 100. So 90 remaining. And for this point again we can add one more 0 here. Now it is 900. So 100 nines are 900 only. So the decimal form of 419 by 100 is 4.19 meter. Understand all of you? Students, one more conversion you see here. We know that 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. And 1 millimeter is equal to, that is 1 by 10 centimeter. So if you divide 1 by 10, we will get 0.1 centimeter. That means to convert into millimeter into centimeter, we have to multiply directly by 0.1, or simply we can say to convert into millimeter into centimeter, we can divide by 10 only. So one more example here, 25 millimeter. So 25 millimeters is equal to 25 by 10 centimeter now. That means conversion of millimeter into centimeter means we have to divide by 10. And if you divide 25 by 10, we will get 2.5 centimeter. Understand all of you? In this way, one more example, 106 millimeter. That will be equal to 106 by 10 centimeter now. If you divide 106 by 10, we will get what? 10.6 centimeter. Now you see in the third question of this exercise, that is express as centimeter using decimals. In this given questions, the units are in millimeters, and in some questions millimeters and centimeters. That whole units we have to convert into centimeters only by using decimals. How it is we can see. So in the first question, that is 5 millimeter. So we know that 10 millimeters are equal to 1 centimeter, and 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. That is equal to again 0.1 centimeter. So to convert into millimeter, we have to divide by 10 into centimeter. So the question, that is 5 millimeter. So this 5 millimeter is equal to 5 by 10. Now it is centimeter only. So if you divide 5 by 10, we will get how much? 0.5 centimeter. Understand all of you? So in the next question, that is B, how much? 60 millimeters. So to convert this 60 millimeter into centimeter, so we have to divide by how much? That is by 10 only. Now this unit will become centimeter. 60 by 10 centimeters. So if you divide 60 by 10, how much you will get? 6.0 centimeter. Understand how it is? So if you cut 0, 0, only what remaining? 6 only. 6.0 also we can write simply 6 centimeters. So in the next question it is C, 164 millimeters. So this 164 millimeters, to convert into centimeter, we have to divide by how much? By 10 only. So now this unit will become centimeters. If we divide by 10 to this 164, we will get how much? 16.4 centimeters. How can we divide? You know now? Now you can see, if we divide 164 by 10, we can take the first two digits. That is 10 ones are 10, and here 6 remaining, 0. What will come down? 4. It is 64. 10 6 are 60. Here 4 remaining, 0. No number is therefore come down, so we can put a point here. And for this point we can add 1 0 here. That is 10 4s are 40 only. So how much we got here? 16.4 centimeter. Understand? So in the next question, that is D question. What is that? 9 centimeter and 8 millimeters. In this question, the units are given in two forms, that is centimeter and millimeters. So we have to express this millimeters in centimeters only, but in this question already centimeters also there and millimeters. We can break this question in this way: 9 centimeter plus 8 millimeters. So it is already in centimeter, no need to do anything for this. For this millimeters we have to convert into centimeter. For that we can write 8 by 10. Now this unit will become centimeters only. So 9 centimeter plus, if we divide 8 by 10, we will get how much? 0.8 centimeters only. So if we add these two units together, it is 9 and it is 0. That is whole part. 9 plus 0 is 9 only, then decimal part only 8 is there. So together 9 centimeter 8 millimeter is equal to 9.8 centimeters only. And in the last question of this exercise question, that is 93 millimeters. To convert into centimeter, again we have to divide by what? 10 only. So now this unit will become centimeter. If we divide 93 by 10, we will get how much? 9.3 centimeter. How it is we can see? 93 divided by 10. So 2 digit number, that is 10 nines are 90 only, and the remaining here 3, no number is therefore come down. So we can put a point here and we can add for this 0 for this point, and it is 30, and 10 3s are 30 only. So how much we got? 9.3 only. So 93 millimeters is equal to 9.3 centimeters. Students, now we are going to see a new conversion, that is conversion of beats. In this, meter into kilometer. So how it is we can see, we know that 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometers. All of you know now, 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. And 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. And if you divide 1 by 1000, we will get how much? 0.001 kilometer. How it is? You see, in the last classes also we have seen the division of 1 by 1000. Again we can see here, it is a 3 digit number, but here only 1 digit is there. So we can do by 0 times. So 1 again we got, and put a point here. For this point we can add one more 0 here, but it is still smaller than this. So we can do again by 0 times. Again 10 is there. For this point one more 0 we put here. Now it is 100, but again it is smaller than 1000. Again we can do by 0 times. Again still it is 100. For this point again we can add one more 0 here. Now it is 1000, and it is also 1000. 1000 how much are 1000? 1000 ones are 1000 only. So the decimal conversion of 1 by 1000 is equal to 0.001 kilometer. Understand all of you? So see in this 2500 meters. If you want to convert into kilometers, we have to divide by how much? 1000 only. So 2500 divided by 1000, this meter will become kilometers. If you divide this 2500 by 1000, we will get how much? 2.500 kilometers. How it is you can see here? 2500 divided by 1000. So 3 digits, and here also 3 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, and here 4 digits, 4 digits. So 1000 twos are 2000. How much we remain here? 500 only. No number is therefore come down. We can put a point here, and we can add one more 0 here. So 1000 fives are how much? 5000. So how much we got? 2.5. So this 2.500 will be equal to how much? 2.5 only, because after the decimal last zeros are there, we can omit and write that is 2.5 kilometers only, like this. Similarly, 25 meters we have to convert into kilometer. That means we have to divide by 1000. 25 by 1000 only. So if we divide 25 by 1000, we will get how much? 25. That is 0.025 kilometers. Students, now we are going to see the fourth question of this exercise, that is express as kilometer using decimals. That means in the question C, the units are in meters as well as meters and kilometers, but we have to express into only kilometers using decimals only. So how it is we can see now. The first question, that is 8 meters. For this, we know that what we know, 1000 meters is equal to how much? 1 kilometer. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer, and 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So to convert meter into kilometer, we have to divide by 1000. So now this 8 meter will be equal to 8 by 1000 kilometer. And if we divide 8 by 1000, we'll get how much? That is 0.008 kilometers. So how it is, we can see now. If we divide 8 by 1000, it is a 4-digit number, and it is 1-digit number, very smaller. So we have to start with 0 times. So again 8. So we can put a point here. For this, one more 0 we can add here. It is 80 now. Still it is smaller. So we can do by 0 times. It is now 80. For this point, one more 0 we can add. It is 800, but it is 1000. Still it is smaller. So we can do by 0 times again. So we'll get again 800 only. For this point, one more 0 will add here. Now it is 8000 and it is 1000. So 1000 how much are 8000? 1000 8s are 8000 only. So how much we got for this 8 by 1000? 0.008 kilometer. Understand? See in the next question. So it is meters. So to convert into kilometer, we have to divide by 1000. Now it is kilometer. And if we divide 88 by 1000, we can put a point after 3 places of the number here. So it is 1, 2. For the third place, put a point here. So we can get here how much? 0.088 kilometer. How we divide here? In the same way, if we divide 88 by 1000, we'll get 0.088 kilometer. Understand? So in the next question, it is C. 8,888 meters. So convert into kilometer. So we can divide by 1000. If we put here 1000, now this meter will become kilometers. If we divide 8,888 by 1000, we'll get a point here from right to left after 3 places of decimal, that is 1, 2, 3. So here it will come like this, 8.888 kilometers. Okay, how it is we can see here, 8,888 divided by 1000. So it is 4 digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. 1008 is 8000. It is how much? 888 is remain here, but no digit is there to come down. So we can put a point here. For this point, we can add one more 0 here. It is how much now? 8,880 only. So if we divide by 1000, 8 times again, so it is 8000. How much we got again? 880 only. For this point, again one more 0 we can add here. Now it is how much? 8,800. Again 8 times 8,000, that is 800 remain here. For this point, one more 0 we can add here. 1000 how much are? 1008 is 8000. So finally we got 0 here as a reminder. How much we got here? 8.888. So 8,888 meter is converted into kilometer. We have divided by 1000. The answer is 8.888 kilometer. Understand all of you? So in the last question, that is D1. How much? 70 kilometer and 5 meter. This question we can break into 2 parts as kilometers and meters. That is 70 kilometer plus 5 meters only. So now you can see here, it is already in kilometer. As per this question, already it is in kilometer. No need to do anything for this. Only we have to convert this meter into kilometer. How it is? 70 kilometer plus, to convert into meter into kilometer, we have to divide by 1000. So if we divide by 1000 here, this will become kilometers. So 70 kilometer plus, if we divide by 1000 to this 5, you will get after 3 places of the decimal from right to left, 1, 2, 3. Now it is 0.005 kilometer. So if we add these 2 parts, In the whole part 70 and here 0. 70 plus 0 is 70. Then decimal part and it is 0.05 kilometer. Whole together for this 70 kilometer 5 meter is equal to 70.005 kilometers only. We are going to see a new conversion, that is of weights, gram into kilogram, that is G into kg. So we know that 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. As we know in the lower classes 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. Then 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. So this 1000 will go that side, it will become in the denominator, that is 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. The decimal representation of this 1 by 1000 is equal to 0.001 kg only. So if you want to convert gram into kg, we can directly multiply by 0.001 or simply divide by 1000 only. So see one example, 50 grams to convert into kilograms. So this 50 by 1000 kg. As soon as we divide by 1000, this will become gram into kg only. So now 50 by 1000 means if we divide 50 by 1000, so the decimal place will move from right to left 3 places. That is 1, 2, 3. No number is there here means we can put a 0 here, then 0.50 kg only. How it is, you can see 50 divided by 1000. It is 2-digit number, it is 4-digit number, that is smaller. So we can go by 0 times. Again 50 only, we can put a point here. For this point, we can add one more 0 here. Still it is smaller than this. So again we can do by 0 times only. That means again 500 is remainder. And for this point we can add 1 0 here. Now it is 5000, 1000. So 1000 how much, sir? 5000. 1005 is 5000 only. So we got how much? 0.05. That means 0.05. Here point is there means in the last 0 means we can omit and write. That's why it is 0.05. So 50 grams is equal to 0.05 kg only. Similarly, you can see 2 kg 600 grams. So here 2 units are there. We can break the units into like this, 2 kg plus 600 gram. If we want to convert into kgs only, so it is already in kg, we can keep like this only. But for this gram we have to convert into kg means we have to divide by 1000. Now it is kg only. So last 2 zeros will be cancel out like this. So we get how much? 2 kg plus 6 by 10 kg. Now this will be equal to what? 2 kg plus, if you divide 6 by 10, we will get 0.6 kg only. Add together we will get how much? 2 and 0 are the whole parts. 2 plus 0 is 2. Then point in the decimal part 2.6 kgs only. Students, now we are going to see the last question of this exercise. That is 5th question. In this question you see express as kg using decimals. In the questions the units are in grams as well as grams and kgs. But we have to convert only into kgs using decimals. How it is, you can see the first question, there is 2 gram. And we know that 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. Then 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg only. So as I explained in the previous topic, now 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg only. So here 2 grams means it is 2 by 1000 kg. If we divide 2 by 1000, we will get after the 3 places of the decimal from right to left. 1, 2, 3, then put a point here. It is kg only. That is 0.002 kg. How it is, you can see here 2 divided by 1000. It is smaller, so we have to go by 0 times. Again 2, put a point here, and here 0. Again it is smaller than 1000. Again 2 by 0 times. 20 only for this point. One more 0 we can add here. Again still it is smaller, so we can do by 0 times. Still it is 200 for this point. One more 0. Now it is 2000 and 1000. This is bigger than 1000. And we know that 1000 twos are 2000 only. So we got finally how much? 0.002 only. So in this way we have converted this gram into kg only. Understand? So in the next question, see, it is 100 gram. So we have to convert into kg means we have to divide by 1000. Now it is kg only. Still it is last two zeros may be omit like this. Now it is how much? 1 by 10 kg. And if you divide 1 by 10, we'll get what? 0.1 kg only. Similarly, for the next question, let us see 3750 grams. To convert this gram into kgs, we have to divide by 1000. Now this unit will become kg only. Now, if you divide this number by 1000, we'll get the decimal from right to left 3 places. That is how much? 3.750 kg only. Understand all of you? As we seen in this question like this, if you divide by 1000, we'll get 3.750 kg only. And the next question, that is D, how much? 5 kg 8 grams. In this question there are two units, kg and grams. We have to break these units in this way, 5 kg plus 8 grams. As in the question it is given that to express into kg only, it is already in kg, no need to do anything for this. Only we have to convert this 8 gram into kg. That is 5 kg plus, now this gram into kg means we have to divide by 1000. Now this gram will become kg only. And if we divide 8 by 1000, we'll get what? After the 3 places of decimal from right to left, 1, 2, 3, then put a point here. Now it is kg only. As we did here like this, we'll get 0.008 kg only. Now if we add these two numbers together, whole number 5, whole number 0, whole parts will be added together. It is 5 plus 0 means 5 only. Then after the decimal, there is how much? 008. So simply 5 kg 8 grams is equal to, in the decimal representation, how much? 5.008 kg only. So in the next question, last question, that is 26 kg and 50 grams. Again here also there are two units, kg and grams. We have to break the question in this way, 26 kg plus 50 grams. It will be equal to 26 kg plus this gram. Convert into kg means we have to divide by 1000. Now it is kg only. And again 26 kg, if we divide 50 by 1000, we will get what? 0.5. So if you divide by 1000 to this, we will put a point from right to left after 3 places. 1, 2, nothing is there means 0 point like this. So now adding these numbers together, whole number 26 and here whole number 0. 26 plus 0 is 26, then point, then decimal place 050. That is 050 kgs only. In the last, after the decimal 0 is there means we can omit and write how much it is, 26.05 kg only. So 26 kg 50 grams. Now it will become 26.05 kg only. Understand all of you? Good. All of you understand this whole topic. We'll meet in the next class.